Today we'll learn the second part of formation of John Stock Company. Stages for formation of John Stock Company, that is very important for 14 marks. In last class we studied is promotion. First stage is promotion. In promotion we learned promoter. A promoter is a group of person or a person who gives an idea to start a business. And then we learn the functions of a promoter, that is idea, investigation, detail, information, SWOT or assembly and capital estimation. Now let's begin with the second part, that is incorporation. So let's begin. Incorporation. Incorporation means registration of a company. So incorporation means registration of a company. As John Stock Company cannot be formed or permitted to run its business without registration. For this purpose, the promoter has to make the following steps. First is approval of name, filing of document, payment of filing and registration fees. So here what we learn in incorporation is, here we cannot start John Stock Company as we want. There are rules and regulations framed to start a business. So we have to follow these 3 steps to register our company. So let's begin with it. So here approval of name. Now first point is approval of name. So here in this part, the company's name should not be similar to another company's name. Like for example, we take Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, we cannot take our company name as Coca-Cola. So we cannot take similar name of the company. So here a unique name, a symbol is required for approval of name. Like we can say is like the name must include limited or private limited at the end. Like limited and private limited, because here limited means it belongs to the public and private limited, it belongs to private people who invest their own capital. They do not use the subscription methods. Okay, so here approval of name. So we study here that there should not be similar names like Coca-Cola. Same names cannot be taken here. So filing a document. Now filing a document, here we require is MOA and AOA. Memorandum of Association and Article of Association. So what is MOA? MOA is a fundamental document. It is a fundamental document required for while incorporation of the company. And what is AOA? Article of Association. That is it contains rules and regulations of the company. So AOA, where rules and regulations are contained. So in this filing a document, it must be properly stamped, duly signed by the members of the company to witness or for the AOA. Okay, at least of a person who agree to become the director of the company. Like in AOA, we will write the rules and regulations, and MOA we will have our like how much shares are issued, like which types of shares. In shares also we have different types of shares like equity, preference shares, non-preference shares, redeemable, irredeemable shares, and many of this. And next is our payment of filing and registration fees. Now this payment of filing and registration fees. Here we have to pay a certain of money for registration in ROC, that is register of company. Here we have to pay certain amount for obtaining certificate for incorporation. After getting the certificate, we can start our business immediately. And this certificate is also or may be called as the birth certificate of JSC, John Stock Company. So this certificate can be called as birth certificate of JSC. So in this point we learn is just we have to pay a certain of amount for registration, and they will require us a certificate. By that certificate we can start our business immediately. And more information, the part 3 will be soon. So bye.